Can I get Shrug and Kai Wizzy on station 3? Oh no, wait. Is someone on station 3 right now? There's a reason why I'm not doing it on station 2. I don't want to kill Shrug's controller.
Oh, that's true. This thing.
Can I have Shrug and Kai Wizzy on station 3?
Oh, is it like a Nyko adapter or something?
No, I don't know where that thing's from. I saw it in the back room and I brought her down. I'm like, this is awful. That thing is awful. Exactly. It's so bad.
No, if I still had one of my dud controllers with me, I'd plug it in just to see what happens.
I played on it just now. Pushing it in takes like actual force.
God,
it was awful. We get 3-man. I should pull up the.
I hate FD.
True. This is the staging tag. That's not it. This is.
Oh my god. Wait, on the graphics for Ultimate, can you just put a little corner and just say best Ganon?
Dude, you know if I given you like a Pathfinder C, you'd be in top 8 right now. Yeah, because you got two EQs.
Why didn't you just give me the C, bro? I could have been top 8.
DQ, top 8.
Wait, hold on, wait.
That's so funny.
Nah, he still deserves the graphic.
Oh no, yeah, give me
the graphic.
Bro,
No, bro, you gotta give me a best Ganon.
Hey, I get instant on the graphic. That is good enough as is.
I've got that.
I'm about to put
Wait, hold on. So you told me I just gotta win one to get top 8?
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta lock in. Hold on. I gotta lock in. I need top 8. You told me I can legitimately get onto a top 8?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, melee is set up. I guess I forgot about melee.
Oh, put me in.
I guess I could do melee. Let's see here. Can I get KML2 and Pathfinder on melee?
Oh my god, that was so sick. Alright, no Cowboys for town, and no. I won one
Yo, should I play Roy?
Hell yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a great melee bracket top 8 graphic. This is gonna be amazing. Roy and Ganon already?
Not a single meta character.
I know, that's the best part.
I was assuming we were good. Okay. Go first then. I've been I'm playing Roy. You win. Is it Frozen Stadium?
I believe it is.
FT is counter.
FT's the single counterfeit stage. That's just what it normally is, I guess.
I don't want to play Shrug. Because he's playing PT and it's just going to be Squirtle on Ganon and I'm going to cry.
You're going to get hit off stage and then water gun at 0. It's not fun.
I've never wanted someone to win more in my life.
No way.
I've never wanted Shrug to win before. Is it still on? No, I've wanted to win at you. Nah, I wanted to. I just bully Shrug. Like, I don't know why. It's probably because he
He has the Kane syndrome with PT, and as he tries to do cool shit, and then gets fucking destroyed because
yeah.
of it.
Nah, listen. I bully Shrug talking about how bad he is because he destroyed me in the one game I played on stream. And so I have to compensate by just bullying him and talk about how carried he is.
Dude, this bracket's probably gonna end hell early.
We had an exam Thursday morning, and he's like, yeah, it's probably not, and we were talking on Tuesday, he's like, yeah, it's probably not a good idea, but Wednesday night, I'm probably going to go to Wonderfly. And I'm like, wait, are you going Rob or PT? And he's like, PT. And I'm like, you're not going to win anyways, why are you going?
He wants to go PT for the rest of the season,
I know.
which is fair.
But then he's
PT's
just,
a good character,
but he's gonna play you and him, so he's just gonna switch around.
No, he's going all PT.
Oh, he's actually
Which I respect entirely.
Actually, no more Rob.
Because that's what I did with for my characters. I switched off Zero for Falco for several tournaments just to go like try out and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I realized I'm a little bitch and I want to win.
Dude, not gonna lie, reading people to do multiple side Bs was from Callisto. He taught me to do that. That was actually huge in me winning. So thank you, Callisto, for coaching.
What?
Thank you, Callisto, for coaching yesterday. Except because we couldn't play, he was just showing me on his small Switch against like bots because I had a GameCube, so we couldn't play. And so he's like, listen, just read them and do this. Wait, you can DQ me from Melee because I don't want that to make me feel bad about myself.
What's funny is you're also playing Kai Wizzy in Melee.